What's going on, guys, and welcome to the Arizona desert. Today we're going to be installing the Rig Your Adventure 4-seat cover. This is made of UltraMax material. It's 100% waterproof, it has a lifetime warranty, and it's guaranteed not to fade. Comes in its own compression sack so that once you get this thing back off the vehicle, you can stuff it in here and then compress it. Now there is a tag on this cover that tells you where the back is, so you know front from the back, but the best way to remember it is the logo goes in the front. So the Defender Extreme cover here has an elastic hem that goes around the bottom that allows this cover to stay tight against the wheels and then not flap up. Now this zipper here is a really neat feature. When the cover is installed on the vehicle, there's a zipper on the driver's side, so you can actually zip this thing open, jump in the cab, get anything you need, get back out and close it again. Neat feature. So Deb's gonna step in here and give me a hand. Putting these covers on is a lot easier with two people. We're gonna grab it by the elastic. And now we're gonna go ahead and gather up a third of the material or so and come up over the top. We're gonna position the cover down and around the wheels. Now that strap that you saw us flip in the beginning is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and toss this to the other side of the vehicle underneath. And now I'll be able to come over to this side, grab the strap, and connect it. By connecting this quick release buckle down here, that allows this cover to be able to have some tension from one side to the other, allowing it not to move. Now while this cover does have a lifetime warranty, it is for storage use only. This is not for trailering, not for transportation. So if you're using this cover outside of your house, in your garage, next to your RV, that's the perfect use application. Again, this cover is 100% waterproof. This over here is our Perma-Vent system. This allows air to go through the vehicle or through the cover and allow this thing to stay vented. And this here is the Defender Extreme cover for your 4-seat side-by-side from Rig Your Adventure. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there. Now, typically what I like to do with a cover like this is I roll it into itself. That's going to allow any of the dirt that's gotten on the cover or debris to stay inside the cover until I have an opportunity to shake it out and to clean it. And with the cover rolled up like this, I'm going to stuff it into my stuff sack and then cinch it down to get that 30% compression.